In this video, I will show how to use AI Photo Editor Pro, intelligent full image retoucher and editor. With this application, you can change anything on existing image. I have this image of cocktail glass and vodka next to it, but let's say you have something like this and need to change it without hiring a photographer, without reshooting everything, without spending hours in Photoshop. For example, you need only bottle of vodka. So the prompt will be simple. Remove cocktail glass. That's it. The aspect ratio should match the aspect ratio of your input image. So 3:4 in this case. The input image should be at least 2000 pixels on either larger or smaller side. Too small image will result discrepancy on the outcome. If you supply a good quality image, the result will be very, very good. So let's run this. Here you go. The bottle is on center and there is no glass next to it. The rest exactly the same. And if you try to remove the subject on such image where the background is gradient, is not an easy task even in Photoshop. But even more, let's say if you don't want to replace part of the image with something else. For example, prompt could be like this: replace cocktail glass with a few cherries on a table, right? Let's run it. Here is the result. We have cherries on a table next to the bottle, and it looks exactly like it was photographed. As you can see, all the details is preserved. Now you can download PNG, you can upscale this image up to 12 megapixel, create a video from it, or regenerate if you want to use different subject or different prompt. Our AI will understand any prompt on any language. Basically, you can describe just in your own words. You shouldn't think about what kind of AI model should be correctly prompted. No, this is not the case. Everything is done under the hood in Neuroviz AI. You just need to tell in simple words what to do, and it will do it for you. This is how you use AI Photo Editor Pro. Enjoy.